Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Dutch my boy?
Right. Yeah. Cool kid sneak.
Maybach music. What's up, party people? Good morning, everyone. Alright, so today's vlog, we're gonna do something that it's gonna be fun, I think, and I don't know what to do anyway. So like, what are we gonna do today is I'm just gonna wash my face because I just woke up. So let's go to the washroom. Just gonna wash our face right now, and then we're going upstairs to eat for breakfast.
Too much, but it's cool. The only thing strange, they won't get off you. Say you wanna ride up, well I got a ticket, and later we can hide out. Try and get missing, now I'm all up in your mind now. Cause I get you, but you can't figure mine out. See, I'm quite different, a James Bond nigga with a St. Laurent fetch. And thank God I never had a baby mother either. Snapchat shorty, flash that for me. Clap back with niggas like that's not for you. Give her 50 feet, fell in love in a week. She penetrating my mind, I penetrate that physique. Bitches that would delete. Digging our chemistry, no limit to me and she. Can give me a kiss on the cheek. Pretty thing. Couple years younger, but she better than a motherfucker. Ass fatter than a motherfucker. She got her own, she don't need no ticket. She get it, yeah, she got it, so you know I'm gon' get it. She my NYPYT. She my NYPYT. She my NYPYT. She my pretty young thing, and I do anything for her. Love you, pretty young thing. You need some love. Channeling your ambition. I know this fat nigga that properly seem efficient. He used to move keys, he call it a little different. Another one. She put it down.
So we're here outside, I mean like inside the car, because I'm gonna pick up my mom. And I just finished eating and clean my room. So yeah, today we're gonna pick up my mom. I'm just hitting my car up because it's so cold, as you can see. I'm vaping. It's cold outside. It's kinda sunny, but it's kinda snowing as well. But I can't complain anyways. One more thing about today is I have to pick up my mom right away.
Fighting flames of fire, hang on to burning wires. We don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go. We're falling apart, still we hold together. We passed the end, still we chase forever.
Party people! I'm with Jared!
Andaya!
What's up? So Beshi?
Yes!
Okay. Hey, what's up, party people? Ayan, may namimit.
Uy! Wag dito sa trip store, umayos ka.
Nagbablog ba?
Ay nako, i-vlog kita.
Beshi.
Oo.
Parang ang sarap nitong pang-inom ng tubig.
Oo. Ito yung mga tipo, ito yung mga tipo kong
Sabi niya
mga
first day of the year daw niya ng thrift store. Nakaka.
This is my type of wine glass.
Ice cream.
Sa laki kong to, ito yung wine glass ko.
Ice cream cup, you know. We're level up now. So,
Mga
may gutong mga hampas lupa. So, this is the one we use for the ice cream, eh?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
cup. Ang ganda naman in fairness, oh.
Pero
Pang
wine glass lang. Wine glass ko
$2.
lang.
Ano to, Beshi?
Mga ano.
Mga antique na kutsara. Look at
Say
this.
the choo-choo train is coming.
Airplane kasi.
Jaga jaga choo-choo. Bata. Ano? Tiger. Bakla yung leopard, Beshi. May pa-floral siya. Baklang leopard.
Baklang to.
Oo. Tapos silk pa yung ano.
Oh, wow.
Silk pa yata.
Silk. Sun silk?
It's sabihin mo na lang, cream silk, sun silk. Basta silk siya. Tapos,
I think it's summer.
ha?
We can buy this.
Oo. Kung malakas ang heat, nagpanti ka pa. Isa pa ko ng mga banatan eh.
Beshi.
Oo.
Ano na?
Ito. May naalala ko dito sa shorts na to. Ito yung sinuot ko nung nagpatuli ako.
Ipatingin mo yung susot mo.
Ganon.
Ay, Beshi, ano to? Wet head. Basa daw yung ulo.
Give it a spin. Pull up. May stock. Na-stock si Birkin. Birkin stock.
Ay, gusto ko to.
Ay, wow. Bling bling.
I like this.
Oh, taray. Oh, ay, pak. Pak,
Parang
ganun.
kang aso dito.
Oo. Ganyan ka na.
Hayop. Pwede rin siyang maging
Pwede rin
bracelet.
siyang oh. Pero pwede rin yung pwede rin siyang panuntok, alam mo yun. Kapag may nakasagupa ka, ganun. Tapos ka ganun.
Mahalaga may nasyaro na kong bag. Tingnan mo ang laki-laki ng cart niya. Wala siya nabili. Baso.
Baso.
I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing no games. I see ya. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold?
Oh,
Beshi,
Oh.
Beshi, may free pa doon.
Oh, free. Oh,
Sabi,
ito.
two bread items per
Oh
family.
my gosh.
What is that, Beshi?
Large white bagnet. Ay, baget.
Ang bagnet.
Ang tigas niya. It's for soup. Oh.
Yeah, he said it's like it's kind of hard, so
Yeah, it's hard.
yeah.
It's perfect
It's
for a baseball bat.
Perfect for a baseball bat. Okay, so mom just paid and we're going now.
Mahalaga, may free tayong tinapay.
Anyway, we're going out from the thrift store and where are we going?
Let's go.
Dala naman ang busy, may bibilhin ako. Ako naman ang may shit.
Israel.
We're going to Jerusalem. Wait lang, Bishi, ha? Hawakan mo nga.
Ay, wow.
Over the vlog.
I'm taking over the vlog. And as you can see, papasok na ho kami sa Pontiac. For ano na yung sinabi ko dito? Wait lang, busy. I'm putting my seat belt because in Canada, we are obliged to we are wait lang, ano ba to? We are obliged to
Gusto ko yung mga English instructor na
wait lang, IELTS instructor to. Huwag ka na dyan.
mag-exam si ate may ginagawa.
For citizenship?
No.
Ano, for prerequisite rin yun for college, requirement din. We are obliged to wear our seat belts because if not, we will be fined. Yeah, fined. How do you do? Ganun. Oo. Tatanungin lang sa'yo, are you fine? Ganun.
You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. Baby,
Awkward naman, wala akong masabi. Nakaharap lang sa akin eh. Oh, yan oh. Pak, ganun. Oh. Oh. Feeling vlogger. Pucha. Feeling vlogger, pucha. Oh. On your left, you can see that we're turning. We are here at Henday Mall ba to? Henday Center. Tutuban. And as you can see, Jaja is parking because we are going to Dollarama. Oh, yan na. Babalik
Yes, we're here at the Henday Center. Center.
Where you can hand the day. And day the hand.
Okay, so guys, today is Thursday and we're going for shopping at Dollar Store.
Tignan mo, oh. Para
It's
kung
so
ano.
cold out. Wait.
Let's find Mother Pia.
No, Mother Pia went to the Henday Center in, what do you call that?
Humiwalay sa atin?
Yeah, saan siya
I didn't
pumunta?
know. I thought she was here.
Oh, shit.
Because if she was here, I thought she was there.
Anyway, dahil dyan, magpapabili tayo ng chocolate kay Jarod. Beshi, since best friend mo naman ako, di ba, bibili mo ko ng Hershey's?
Sure. Kapag ganito lang naman. Kapag mga ito ilagay mo dito. Kapag isang buong aisle naman ang gusto niya, abusado naman na 'yon. Ito lang naman. So, okay
Yay!
lang.
Thank you, Besh. So we're here at the IDA store and we're getting...
Mag-arriba ka na lang, Mami.
Hi, Dayan! How are you?
Good, honey.
Say hi to the vlog.
You're on
Oh.
the vlog.
Vlog.
There's my radio. I
Yeah.
haven't got a radio with me.
Haven't seen you for a while.
I am good. Thank you.
Sister. Oh, your
Sister.
sister. Yeah.
Yeah.
We found love.
Dutch.
That's my boy.
My boy.
That's my...
Jarod. Huwag kang magulo dyan, ha?
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun?
What flavor?
Ano ba yung Dutch
I
mo?
got some
Hortons lang?
spring.
Apple red.
Spring now and after this we're going home.
Home.
Yeah. Alright, so we're done shopping. I don't know. Dinadala pwede.
Red apple.
Okay, sige. We're just gonna drop this. Dahan-dahan ka, Besh, yung mga itlog.
Hayaan mo.
Yung mga itlog baka mapisa. Baka maging sisiw. May mga etlog. So, Beshi, sa loob na lang yan, baka mabasa.
Ay, ano ba? Ay, ito.
Etlog. Daig.
Alam mo naman.
Wait lang, dito. Dito na lang. Hahawakan niya ni Mother Pia.
Hahawakan niya ang itlog. Hahawakan ni Mother Pia ang itlog.
Oh my gosh, I'm freezing. It's freaking super cold. And I'm just gonna start the car right now because my lips is getting dry and my hands are getting frozen. I feel so cold right now.
Oh, nabasag yung mga itlog?
Hindi naman, dito na.
Oh.
Sakay ka na, Beshi.
Hindi, dito na ako sa likod.
Oo nga. Sige na. Let's go. Anyway, so
Oh.
we just got done shopping. Lini Dapo. Lini Rubrido.
Ay, gusto ko yan!
Anyway. Lini Dapo.
Lini Rubrido.
Dito na lang tayo mag-park sa harap. Baka makikita niya tayo dito. Ay, pwede pala mag-park dito.
Ano ba yung pagpapark
Oh,
nito?
nag-snow siya.
Kanina pa yan. Kanina umaga.
I
While I
know,
was
right?
handing out drinks sa window, may snowflakes na konti.
True?
And I was like, oh my God!
Wow. Alright.
It's alright! Alam mo yun, yung mga pakonyo-konyo mga ano.
True.
Ito no,
So, hindi. Tumigas lang.
Tumigas lang? Kala ko, matagal mo nang inimbak dito.
Bakit?
Wala. Kung matagal mo nang inimbak, tapos binigay mo sa akin, di baka ano na, expired or what?
Huwag mo na kayang kainin. Hindi pa naman yung matagal eh.
Hindi pa naman matagal.
Mabilis
Okay
pa
lang.
yan. So, ayun na nga. So, it's been like how many minutes?
30 minutes?
Oo.
Yan, ganun lang.
Nasaan na si Mother? Nasaan na si Mother Pia?
Nasa thrift store?
Anyway, so si Mami nawawala. Ayun na siya. Nakarating na siya ng thrift store. Saka pumunta. Nakarating na daw siya ng thrift store. So, ayan na. Dumating na ang Lola Mes.
Ang mayora na.
Hawakan mo yung itlog, baka mabasa. And we're here. Finally, we're home. And I'm just gonna get the stuffs that we bought. Anyway, so ayan nga. Medyo madulas, so we have to like be careful. And that's it. After I picked up my mom, we ended up going for a trip, thrift store, and then we went to IEA, we went to Dollar Store, and somewhere else. Ito na ang mga pinamili niya.
Hold up, what's your name? I should have asked the verse before.